So I first came to the Shivani Clinic and Panchakarma Center in the beginning of 2005. Initially, I just wanted to do the introductory 6-day course to get an overview on what Ayurveda is all about. And actually, I got so hooked up on the teaching by Shivani that I decided to do the whole therapist course, which was a 3-month diet and nutrition course. I also did an internship here, so I stayed for quite a while in Dharamsala. And then I came back again in 2010 to do a Panchakarma treatment. And this was after 1 year after not being able to become pregnant. I decided to do the treatment, and I received some medicine during the treatment, and I was supposed to take some specific medicine to become pregnant after the treatment when I had my first period. And it happened that I never had my next period. So I got pregnant, I think basically 2 weeks after my treatment. And this now, we are March 2013, this is now my 3rd treatment, and I came here this time because I was recently diagnosed with hypothyroidism, which is an underfunction of the thyroid gland. And I have to say I already feel much better. I stopped with my medicine that I was taking, and I will continue taking the Ayurvedic medicine, and I'm looking forward to have my next blood test taken. I really have to say Panchakarma is quite an intense treatment, and I wouldn't do it if I wouldn't completely trust the whole clinic here. The 2 doctors, Dr. Shivani and Dr. Mahesh, as well as the whole team who is working here. It's been a pleasure coming back every time. It's a very professional environment. You really feel like they are caring about you, that they are taking care of your well-being. And I have to say, each time after having been here, it made a big difference to my well-being and how I felt in general. I think I was lucky enough never to have met people who didn't practice proper Panchakarma, but I think Panchakarma is a very serious treatment, and I think you should only undertake it in an environment that also takes Panchakarma serious. It's not a simple massage where you pamper yourself a little bit like in a spa. It's real treatment. So I would only go to professional doctors in a professional environment, and I think the Shivani Clinic and Panchakarma Center represent exactly that.